Yeah? Sister Olivia is, I think she's scared of the blow dryers. Hang on. Look! It's okay. Baby, I'm sorry. Look. I feel like a dick.